Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. Welcome to this video on the PFRDA last minute strategy and how you can maximize the score as well, right? So we'll be discussing about the last minute strategy plus how you can maximize the score in the examination. So this is the agenda. First one is the fear factor in the exam stress, how to deal with that. Preparation strategy, smart revision approach, smart selection of topics. I'll be also sharing with you some of the important topics. Already we have discussed multiple times regarding the important topics. We'll be rediscussing the same. Time management, and at the end of the video is a surprise for you guys. So video के end तक बने रहिएगा. Let's start the discussion by fear and exam stress. So I'm also getting a lot of messages कि सर काफ़ी सारा exam को लेके fear है या फिर exam stress है, right? So guys, what I'll be sharing one thing with you is every candidate who is appearing for this examination is definitely having a fear in his mind, right? The one who are going to score a all India rank will also be getting a fear factor in mind as of now. They are also getting a fear factor in their mind as of now, right? So this is unanimous. This is not for specifically only few candidates जिनकी preparation अच्छी नहीं हुई है. Fear is unanimous, ये सबके माइंड में होगा, but how you manage your fear is what matters the most, right? Everything you want is on the other side of the fear. It's a very famous quote. So whatever you want guys in life is always on the other side of the fear. So try to manage the fear, right? Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. This is a very famous quote of Mr. Warren Buffett. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. So the best approach to tackle the exam stress or your fear is to draw a clear line of your preparation strategy. You should be having a clear-cut preparation strategy that will definitely help you to eliminate this fear. And definitely वो strategy बनाने के बाद भी आप में थोड़ा सा fear रहने वाला है और उतना fear ज़रूरी भी है. So it's totally natural if you are stressed out. There is no problem in that, right? जो लोग पास हो गए वो लोग भी एग्जाम दे रहे होंगे, they will also be having that particular fear in their mind, so that's fine. Okay, first thing is you need to learn how to manage the risk, how to manage the fear, and don't get scared because of that particular thing. What will be your preparation strategy so we can easily manage the fear and exam stress by setting a clear-cut preparation strategy? The very first thing is keep on revising your strong zone. You are having some subjects that are favorable, that you feel more comfortable with, like commerce and accounts. It can be management, it can be any other subject. Keep on revising your strong zone. That's the number one strategy. Whatever your weak zone is, the second thing is whatever your weak zone is, try to cover it by 30th or 31st of August 2025 by the end of this month. That should be your target, right? That should be your target. कि 30th और 30th अगस्त के बाद मुझे 31st अगस्त के बाद मुझे नए टॉपिक्स नहीं उठाने, मुझे वीक जोन नहीं उठाना. Those 5 days are just for your revision purpose, right? Book your time slots. जो लोग time slots book नहीं करते वो लोग definitely यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारा struggle करते हैं. So please book your time slot. Time slot book करने का मतलब you should be having a time slot in the morning. You should be having at least 3 to 4 hour time slot, the first time slot in the morning, जहाँ पे आप कम से कम 100, 200, 250 पेजेस पढ़ लोगे, रिवाइज कर लोगे. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट रिविजन नाउ. कुछ लोगों को लग सकता है सर इज इट इवन पॉसिबल टू रीड 100, 200 पेजेस इन 3-4 hours? Yes, it is possible, right? Yes, it is possible. You can do so. Try to read at least 100 to 150 pages in the morning slot itself and book your calendar कि अच्छा सुबह मॉर्निंग के 6 बजे से लेके 9 बजे तक मैं बिल्कुल फ्री हूँ, मैं सिर्फ पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. सुबह 5 AM से लेके 9 AM तक, 8 AM तक मैं सिर्फ पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. सबसे पहला स्लॉट मॉर्निंग का स्लॉट निकालो, ट्राई करके. जो लोग रात को पढ़ते हो रात का भी निकाल सकते हो, दिन का भी निकाल सकते हो, राइट? डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर स्केड्यूल. बट बुक योर मॉर्निंग स्लॉट. ऐसा नहीं कि कभी भी उठ गए कभी भी पढ़ लिया. नो, यू शुड बी हैविंग अ प्रॉपर स्केड्यूल, राइट? स्मार्ट रिविजन टेक्निक इज you should be revising quickly and more of in a MCQ based manner, right? So you do revision in a quick manner. Don't take too much time. Let's suppose you are studying financial statements or you are studying any other topic in any kind of subject. Let's suppose lean system. So you should be able to quickly revise the topic now and don't waste too much of your time reading each and everything. Revision का मतलब ही क्या होता है? वापस से विजन में लाना. Already ये चीज आपके विजन में है. You are just revisioning it, right? सो फटाफट से पढ़ना वहां पे, आप किसी भी चैप्टर को यहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा टाइम मत दो। रिविजन जो होता है बहुत ही स्पीड में होना चाहिए आपका। इट शुड बी क्विक, इट शुड बी अ एमसीक्यू बेस्ड अप्रोच। अगर एमसीक्यू बेस्ड अप्रोच में इफ यू आर रिवाइजिंग, इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू, राइट। आई हैव आल्सो पोस्टेड मेनी एमसीक्यू रिलेटेड रिविजन सीरीज ऑन द यूट्यूब, यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक आउट दैट सीरीज एज वेल। और भी फैकल्टीज ने अपने अपने सब्जेक्ट्स की यहाँ पे पोस्ट किए जो आपको डेफिनेटली दैट विल हेल्प यू गाइस, राइट। Read 500 pages a day, that's how knowledge works. It builds up like compound interest. A very famous quote by Mr. Warren Buffett. 500 पेज रोज के पढ़ो, आप सिर्फ 200-300 पेज पढ़ लो, बहुत है आप लोगों के लिए। 150 पेज भी पढ़ लो, बहुत है आपका। और ट्राई करो मॉर्निंग स्लॉट में ही पढ़ लो, पॉसिबल है इफ यू आर रिवाइजिंग इट। if it is a new topic then definitely it's difficult, I can totally understand it. I'm just talking about revising more and more content, right? That is possible. Important areas, now I'll be telling you some of the important areas that you can do it on a priority level. First one is basics of account. Okay, basics of account, concepts and conventions, depreciation, inventory. These are some of the very important areas, right? Basics of account, concepts and convention, depreciation, inventory, modern rule and traditional rule of accounting. Then fixed assets, again an important topic for you guys. Cash flow statement, ratio analysis, preparation and presentation of final accounts. Try to complete these topics as soon as possible. These are the most important topics. You can check out any PYQ question from SEBI or PFRDA. You'll be definitely getting a lot of questions from these topics. Sir, what about the rest of the topics? You can again do the rest of the topics, but try to keep on revising multiple times these topics, right? और जिनके ऑलरेडी स्ट्रॉन्ग जोन में, वो कैन डायरेक्टली, दोज पीपल कैन डायरेक्टली गो विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द रिमेनिंग टॉपिक्स. आप उन टॉपिक्स पे ज्यादा ध्यान दे सकते हो. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट मैनेजमेंट, बेसिक्स ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, मोटिवेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन, try to focus on these topics, right? Try to focus on these topics. Plus management is a theory subject, you can give multiple revisions of these subject. Finance, derivative, very important. Okay, equity market, bond market, recent development, again it's related to finance, current affairs only. Inflation, okay. डायरेक्ट टैक्स एंड इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स का बिल्कुल बेसिक, सो ओनली रीड द बेसिक्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्स एंड इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स. डोंट गो इनटू टू मच डिटेल, जस्ट ट्राई टू कवर द बेसिक्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्स एंड इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स, राइट. कॉस्टिंग के अंदर लीन सिस्टम, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, डू इट ऑन प्रायोरिटी लेवल. मार्जिनल कॉस्टिंग, बेसिक्स ऑफ कॉस्टिंग, डू इट ऑन अ प्रायोरिटी लेवल. दीज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स फ्रॉम विच मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस कैन कम इन द एग्जामिनेशन, right? Try to complete these areas on a priority level, and if you have already completed it, that's great. You can move to the different other chapters. Companies Act, the most important chapter here will be audit and auditors, prospectus, and your NCLT. Okay, so try to complete these three chapters first, and then you can move to the other chapters. I'll include the meetings chapter as well, and in the paid class I've already told you the important sections as well from the Companies Act. If I talk about economics, you can start with demand and supply, market structure, inflation, monetary and fiscal policy, right? So first try to complete topics related to these, and then you can move to the other topics as well, right? Business cycles. Pension sector, I will advise you guys to don't leave anything from the pension sector. Why? Because this is highly scoring topic, right? This is a highly scoring topic. Plus PFRDA is all about pension regulatory body. So I won't be giving you some of the important topic. Already ये बहुत छोटा content है. I will advise you कि आप इसको पहले complete कर लो, right? If I talk about finance current affair, they are going to be very important in your general awareness section. Finance current affair, you can directly do them with the compilation series. Don't waste too much of time on finance current affairs. Directly download the compilation PDF, right, and start solving the MCQs, right? Download the PDF, start solving the MCQs, start having a look at the important finance current affairs. Whenever I have covered the finance current affair, I have explicitly told you guys which one is important, which one is low priority finance current affair, right? So please, you do utilize the finance current affair series. It's completely free for all of you, right? टाइम मैनेजमेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई हैव सीन मल्टीपल स्टूडेंट्स कि हम सर पढ़े जा रहे हैं, 6 महीने हो गए, साल भर हो गए, वी आर जस्ट स्टडीइंग. नो, यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस द मॉक टेस्ट एज वेल. एग्जाम में जाके आपको पढ़ना नहीं है, आपको क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. सो ट्राई कि आप मॉक टेस्ट का प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छे से कर लो. दैट्स द नंबर वन थिंग फॉर टाइम मैनेजमेंट. इफ यू हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड एटलीस्ट 4 to 5 mock test, that will be fine. You are having enough speed, and I will advise you guys to at least practice 5 to 6 mock test in the remaining period, right? अगर आपने 3-4 कर रखे हैं, 4-5 आप और कर लेते हो तो that is again a good approach, so that you can get a exam oriented वाला environment, right? So please do remember time management very very crucial in these competitive examination. If you know the concepts, if you know the question, but if you don't have the time management, again it will be very very difficult to clear the examination, because concept clarity, exam में question होना और time management, ये तीनों अलग अलग aspect हैं जो आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है. Next and the last thing for today is a surprise for all of you, right? So guys, I'm bringing free revision lectures for all of you. So I'll be definitely taking your commerce and accountancy, companies act and costing. ये तीनों के revision lectures मैं आपके free लेने वाला हूँ. This will be complete revision of the most important concepts for your examination for PFRDA 2025, right? So definitely we'll be having fruitful discussion in these 3 sessions. ये close to 1 to 2 hour के रहने वाले हैं, close to 2 hour का per lecture यहाँ पे रहने वाला है, and most probably next week Monday से schedule हो चुका है, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, इन 3 दिन के अंदर मैं आपको ये पूरा रिवाइज करने का डेफिनेटली एक एफर्ट दूंगा, और आप सब लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग इसको पार्टिसिपेट करें और इसका यूज करें फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन पर्पस. Plus for those students who want complete guidance, we already have a PFRDA course. They can definitely check out for the complete course related to PFRDA. Okay guys, thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in some other video. And in case if you are having any query, you can always let me know in the comment section. Okay, bye bye.